Hello students, welcome back. I am Sanya Sethi, your science teacher. I hope you all are safe and doing good. So today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is the circulatory system. So first of all, you should know the meaning of circulation. So let's discuss what is circulation. So what is circulation? It is the movement of blood around the body. Students, do you know what is circulatory system made up of? Okay, so there are three organs involved in the circulatory system. Let's study them one by one. The first organ is our heart. Second are the blood vessels. And the third is blood. So students, as you have seen, we have three organs involved in the circulatory system. That is our heart, the blood vessels and the blood. Okay, before I start discussing about them, let's do a small exercise. Okay, leave your mobile phones or laptops on the table. Stand up. Yes, right now you have to stand up and jump 10 times. Do it, I am waiting. Okay, now sit down. Put your hand on the left side of your chest. Can you feel something? Yes, you can feel something beating very fast. That is your heart. Your heart pulls blood into it and again pushes it back. So this is the most important muscle of your body. So our heart has a very important role to play in the circulatory system. Now let's discuss about blood vessels. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels are like tiny tunnels that run through your body. Yes, they are like tunnels, tubes, through which the blood flows and it carries blood throughout your body. Now let's discuss about blood. You know our body contains blood. Do you know how it is circulated through the body? With the help of heart. Heart pumps blood throughout the body. Some of the important functions of circulatory system are: it moves blood around the body. Blood carries important things to different parts of our body. It collects carbon dioxide and other wastes from all the organs. Students, these are some of the new terms that we have studied today. Blood vessel, tubes in your body through which blood flows. Waste, not used and thrown away. Remember, do not forget to do what you have to do. Now students, it's very important that we exercise regularly. It can be anything like swimming, skipping, jumping, dancing. All these things increase the blood circulation in our body and we remain fit and healthy. Now I hope you must have understood the topic. Read it again, and after watching the video, please click on the subscribe and like button, and don't forget to mention your section and name in the comment box. Till then, take care.